What the heck is the process for putting a dado stack on your Sawstop? Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. This is another one of our series of what the heck videos. They're intended to be short and for beginners primarily. The only thing that's different about changing a blade to a dado stack on a Sawstop is the fact that you've got this emergency brake cartridge inserted, and you need a different sized one for your dado stack. So start by cranking your blade all the way up to the top and then just take off your 10-inch blade. I don't need to show you that. You know how to do that. Remove your riving knife because you will not use your riving knife when you're using a dado stack. Set that aside. Make sure you store it someplace where you can find it when you put back on your real one. Now all you have to do is reach down and unlock what's called a cartridge key. And that's got a red handle on it, easy to spot. Reach down, turn it up 90 degrees, and pull it out to the right. I like to, in order to get the brake off, give it just a little nudge by putting this in behind it and get it started, and then I can take it off very easily. Now you're going to put back on the brake that's designed for the dado stack. It has a it has a pivot hole and a positioning hole. So you put the pivot hole over the pivot rod, and that's kind of located right underneath this riving knife handle, and then find where that positioning hole goes over the positioning rod. And you'll kind of know, you won't be able to move the brake. Reinsert the cartridge key. So put that in and press down on it. Now everything should feel nice and secure. Put on your dado stack. If your dado stack is more than 3/8 of an inch wide, and it normally will be for most applications, do not put back on your arbor washer. Just use the nut itself. Yes, that's in the Sawstop manual. So put on your dado stack, spin the blade, make sure it's not hitting anything. You want to do that by hand, not with your motor. And then check to make sure that the distance between the tip of the dado stack and the cartridge here is the credit card distance, or the distance of this little tool that they give you. That is it. Kind of put that handle down, put your throat plate back on, and you're ready to go. That's how easy it is to change to a dado stack on a Sawstop. Small workshop guy, hoping that you'll give me a like, a comment, and a subscription. And if you did not like the video, go ahead and let me know that in spades by hitting the thumbs down button twice. Stay safe in your workshop. We'll see you next time.